So this is Nokia 1.4 TA-1322, and in this video we're going to do factory reset and FRP bypass. So this Nokia has a test point, but it is not supported on most of the tools. So the easiest way to do this phone is to use ISP. So we head over to the eMMC side, and we are going to, so on the eMMC side, we tick ISP mode and make sure AI Connect is ticked, and yeah, so change the clock speed to 52 and identify. So the box is connected. That's okay. So I want to realize my socket is not connected. So let me connect my socket in a while. Okay. So it does that when the socket is not connected. So my socket is connected with that light on top. So let me connect my USB to the phone to supply VCCQ and VCC. So you have to make sure the screen cable is connected and identify again. So the box is connected, the socket is also connected. So let's see if the eMMC connects. Okay, eMMC connected successfully. So you just give it a while to load your phone into this interface. Okay, just one thing that I forgot. You see, I did not untick the Android security partition backup, so it definitely has to do the backup of all security files. Perhaps for this process it is not necessary, but yeah, let it back up and we just do our thing. So it is finishing up, and I guess it's done. Okay, so you just head over to partitions, user, erase user data, yes, user data, okay, are you sure? 100% yes, and erase user data. So again, head over to partitions and FRP, format FRP partition, yes, and task done. So this is just it. So go ahead to disconnect the phone and disconnect the socket and disconnect the screen cable, and let's just give it a while to disconnect all these wires. So we'll go ahead and assemble the phone, and this should just take us a few seconds. Okay, put in the battery and let's test to see if we're successful or not. So power on the phone, and yeah, okay. So let's wait for a few seconds for this phone to boot up, and so it certainly shuts down. I guess it's low battery, so we connect to the power. So let's power up the phone again. Just give it a few seconds to start up, and I'm skipping on this video so to make sure that the video is not too long. Okay, so welcome. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.